Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change language in Odoo. So this is really simple, quick, and easy. What you will have to do basically is just go to your profile and then you will see my preferences. So just go ahead and click that and wait for it to load. So it may take a while. And now that you're here, what you will do is basically uh just choose language from the drop down menu if it is available for you, and then what you will do basically is, again, yeah, you could also add a language if you want. So again, you could choose Arabic, you could choose English, anything you want actually, and you could search for more if you want. And after that, you will just have to click this add button right here, and and you will just have to refresh your Odoo, and the interface will appear in the selected language. And then you will just have to check important modules like website or accounting, so that you will be able to ensure that the language is applied everywhere. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.